Sunday, May 18th. Stopping in on the garden between storms. Nothing like a good storm to show you what you didn't tie up. Looking through here, cucumbers still doing good. Got some oranges on my mandarin orange tree. And then speaking of that, I got some lemons over there on my little Meyer lemon tree. Broccoli's pushing up. Right here we had a low spot, and my husband YouTube vertical drains. I would tag the channel, but we actually looked at several and did a little combination of a milk crate, some gravel, and some landscaping fabric. Anyway, no water standing there, so we were testing that because we have a few more spots that we need to do that too. If you look, there's some low spots outside the garden, so we'll be trying that since it's worked so well. We got our hay bales going. Now there's water on that side. We actually have a bilge pump that is down there at the end that we have the drainage being pumped over to the lake, if you can see it over there. Tomatoes looking good. Only had to tie up a few of those. They're getting so big. Onions still growing. We got lots of I'll tell you what, that zucchini's still standing. There's a few limbs that are so heavy that they fell over, but for the most part, we picked zucchini this morning, or just now. And let's see, I had to tie up my peppers. They've got some little bell peppers on them, some different things there. I didn't tie them up the other day, and I was afraid that if the next storm comes, they're gonna get knocked over. So you see the tomatoes are standing tall. We do the T-post and the cattle panels and then tie them up there. I noticed that they start a couple feet or so above the ground. That way we can get under until or when we're done with them or whatever, and we don't have to take this down every year. Alright, so my green beans are getting a good drink this morning. You see they're a little bit underwater, but we did receive a lot of rain, so here we go. We're digging a trench, draining that off, and then that just drains right out toward the lake. There's a few things we picked this morning so far. My long beans, potatoes are growing. Blueberries doing good. Squash is still standing. Look at these patty pan. You can look under there and see them growing. Nothing like a good pan of fried squash. Got 3 patty pans and lemon ball. You can see several down there. They've got blown over just a little bit. These are some gentry squash that I got from Haas. He said there's a good variety to try, so I'm testing them. So we're gonna see. They look good. Blueberries are still up, doing good. I haven't checked the back garden. My vertical squash, these are my butternuts. They're nice and green and starting to grow. Train them up the trellis. Anyway, most things look good. Most things look good today. Thank you.